Okay, hello. My name's Eric Schmitz. I'm Battalion Chief with Twin Falls Fire Department in Twin Falls, Idaho. And behind me is our new PUC Enforcer that we purchased, and we're here doing the final inspection on today. This will serve as our new Engine 2, in addition to our PUC Enforcer we have that's at our current Station 1 right now. So this will be adding to our fleet, replacing one of our other apparatus. Twin Falls, Idaho, we're in middle south central Idaho. We serve a community just over 50,000 people. We have 4 stations, all paid personnel, professional department. These are what we use in Twin Falls since we respond to EMS calls. These are our EMS compartments. We charge our batteries in here for our battery powered equipment, our drills, cutting tools, our extrication tools, as well as carry our EMS equipment on both sides of the apparatus. The jump seats, obviously access for our personnel in the back to access the EMS cabinets as well. We do have 3 seats in the back. We'll generally run 3-man engine minimum and generally try to run a 4-man if we have the available staffing. Moving around, we get to where the hoses are. Down here, we'll keep 2 200-foot, 1.75-inch attack lines, as well as 200 feet of 2.5-inch attack line for a blitz line. Backboards we'll store in here, make it easy and convenient. The heart of the apparatus is the operator's panel, the pump panel, obviously, where he'll spend his time. One of the advantages of the PUC Enforcer is the simplicity in design. Easy for maintenance, easy for operation, straightforward, easy. We do get weather in south central Idaho. We get snow and wind, so having the roll-up doors covering the pump panel keeps a lot of the corrosion out of this compartment, makes life a lot easier. As well, this is a spot for the driver, the operator, to store his gear, store tools, appliances, hydrant wrenches, storage connections, etc. Drawers for tools, various pieces of equipment. Moving along, just another mid section. On both sides, as we'll see, we got the tool mounting system on here, so we can mount hand tools, axes, the irons we call them, axes, Halligan tools, sledgehammers, etc. Makes access really quick and easy, mount on both sides. Driver's side rear compartment on this, as this side as well as the other sides are bigger tools. We'll get into our chainsaws, our PPV fans, our positive pressure ventilation fans. Some of our other larger pieces of equipment will be in these 2 back compartments on the driver's and captain side. Back of the apparatus, this is our hose bed. We'll have 1,000 feet of 4-inch. This side will have 2.5, as well as our 2.5 bundled up line here, attack line here. Another compartment here with roll-up door, another for large items. We'll go in here. We keep, of course, traffic cones for traffic incidents on the highway, etc. Those kind of things back here. The ladder to access the top. This particular unit has what we call coffin boxes on top. Coffin boxes, of course, we're in the west, so we deal with the wildfires. So our wildland packs, etc., go on the top. Something that we don't have to access quickly and readily every single day. And this side, we can store large hand tools as well. Shovels, Pulaskis go in there, etc. for our wildland setup. Rear compartment, very similar. We have shelves in here. We store a lot of our battery powered scene lighting in here. A lot of our battery powered tools, drills, sawzall, etc. Some of those tools. That's why we have the shelves. Fuel cans for some of our power unit, all gone. It goes in these compartments back here. Middle compartment, similar as the driver's side. This is the captain's side, but we also have the tool board, mount hand tools, etc. That way, the same tools, the irons, sledgehammer, etc. is on each side for each firefighter as they dismount the apparatus and have to grab tools to work. This compartment is what is known as our extrication compartment on this apparatus. All of our major extrication equipment will be stored in this compartment. We're going to have Paratech struts mounted on this particular board. We use e-tools, TNT e-tools. They'll be down here. these bins here, this is actually a new design we're trying on this rig. And we're gonna start storing all of our ratchet straps, chains, etc. Those kind of things, clevises in these compartments to easily move to the scene of the incident and take with us. And then just additional shelving for tools. Access from the other side, this is access to the two Crosslays and the 200-foot blitz line as seen from the other side, as well as the backboards. We also carry our New York hooks in this department for our firefighters as well. Once again, just the passenger side door, similar EMS compartment. Both sides will be filled with all the EMS equipment we need, our AED, etc., the suction units, all those kind of things. Easily accessible from the inside for our firefighters or the outside here. And then finally the officer side, captain's rear seating. Once we get this back home, we'll mount the tablet here for his information to the CAD as he goes en route. Of course, his air packs mounted in the seats. Other various things will be mounted up here as well. So back to the front of the apparatus, we did do our bumper on this one different from our previous PUC in that we added an intake, which is extremely handy. You can pull straight up to a hydrant, get a short length, and make an intake connection in our bumper. As well as we recessed it, obviously, and our mechanical sirens recessed. Also in the front, we have the storage for what we call the jump line. So we'll have 150 feet of 1 3/4 hose in there, which makes for quick attack for vehicle fires or something of that nature where we don't need this extension. All right, some additions to this rig is the lighting, LED lighting in our handrails on both sides to be illuminated at night. We do, of course, have all LED lights on this thing with the Opticom in our light bar, obviously for traffic signals to give us access. But all right, that's about it with our new Enforcer. Thanks for watching and looking at our engine with us. We appreciate it.